What's up, YouTubers? Here with the Volkswagen GTI, and I'm going to be resetting the service after I perform my service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit in the car. I'm going to make sure that first and foremost, all my doors are closed, hoods closed, trunks closed, everything is closed. Next thing you want to do is have your car key in the car. If you don't have the blade for the ignition, you just have the press button. You're going to go ahead and press it once without starting the car so that all the lights come on. Once again, not holding the brake or starting the car. If you have the key version, make sure to turn it to ignition position 2 where all these lights come on. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and use this button right over here on your steering wheel. You're going to go ahead and press that till you see the settings menu. Next thing you want to do is use the down arrow right over here. And you're going to keep pressing the down arrow till you get to service. Next thing you want to do is press the OK button. Here in the service, you'll go down one time with this arrow again till it's on reset. You're going to go ahead and press OK. It's going to ask you, do you want to reset service? You're going to go ahead and press OK. And service reset has taken place. Okay, now you should be able to go up to info and you'll see that it's been reset to 10,000 miles. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.